So this already wants to move. Good. I want you to relax your jaw. Good. You're surprisingly so relaxed right now. Nice. You're just gonna feel a nice scoop. Bring your chest up a little higher. Great. And then relax everything. Thank you. Yo!
Whoa! I always feel like this, like a cloudiness.
Like a cloud? Yeah, brain fog?
Yeah, that.
A lot of that is coming from your upper neck and posture.
Oh,
right?
God.
When this moves forward, it's going to round out your shoulders.
Oh, yes.
It's going to create more flexion in the chest. Mm-hmm. Thank you. Yo!
Whoa! Ooh. Oh my!
He's waited so long for that.
Wow!
Yeah.
Oh!
It's finally good to be on the other side of the video, right?
Oh yeah! Dang!
Damn, Daniel. How'd that feel?
Shocking! Wow!